Alright, today on the wannabe Mr. Robot, but kinda not the wannabe Mr. Robot, we got a fully restored Westinghouse Model 504. And when I say fully restored, I mean like every capacitor was changed, not just the wax ones or the paper ones, all of them. So, yeah. The only thing I didn't restore is probably, I don't know, checking for resistors, but it's working really good. So this is just the initial warm-up, and yeah, gonna let it run for a few seconds, show you what I did to the original case.
You need that common sense voice saying no.
Concept of these now full 12.
There's not how many stations that's picking up so far.
You're the boss. And that makes
7, 1060 AM, an iHeart radio station.
this is Dan French. He's Rajwani.
Still picking up stations.
What was it, Miami? And
Another one.
Today.
Oh, another one.
50%.
Oh, another one.
How to win over your coworkers.
And another one.
Secret Santa gift.
Breakfast television. Weekday mornings at 6.
I'll call that a quarter of one.
Clean, an even clean on both sides. And it does $35 and $45 unlimited plans when you buy a smartphone.
you got a head on your shoulders, aren't you?
Like channel
Big thanks to everyone.
after channel
And finding
after
equipment.
channel
Physical defect.
after channel
Now to prove
after
you better.
channel.
When kabam!
Another
Both
channel.
the lightning slams into the apartment, blowing.
Air conditioning. Crashing the bags for best this season.
You get the point. It's really sensitive.
That's not smart.
It's smart. Thanks for coming, man. What's your name?
Will be in Seattle within 5 years. That would be 2 years after the launch of the NHL. I really believe that's going to happen because I think the timeline for NBA expansion will increase. And even if it doesn't happen in your suggestion, there
Alright,
are
I'm
these
gonna put on pause to show you what I did.
15.
Alright, now with it turned off, every capacitor gone. Even the mica's, like, I don't know, there's one down there. You can see it right there. I know there's another one around here somewhere, but every capacitor was done. And no, I didn't check for foil sides. So just so you know, I didn't check for foil sides, and it was still that sensitive. That being said, like, look at that power supply rebuild. Yeah, that's a power supply rebuild, boys. Fuck yeah. Look at that. That's not gonna fail. Cathode bias capacitor. And yeah, that was actually called for in the original schematic. That's the plate resistor. And yeah, little teeny tiny capacitor there too. Oh, there's another one as well. Yeah. Every one of them. You gotta do them all. I don't care if they're epoxy coated. I don't care if they're well sealed. They're 50 years old. Get rid of them. Get rid of them all, boys. Like, I don't care. You can argue it all you want. Get rid of every capacitor. They're over 50 years old. Get rid of them. So, that's what I did. You saw the results. I'm going to put it back in its cabinet, give it a little tone, maybe save it from a few, I don't know, interference rays or whatever you want to call them. But yeah, here we go.
Well, no.
Alright, it's in its cabinet.
Unless you have your own benefit.
Imagine if it was in its original finish. Yeah, I know, but I bought this in high school, absolutely fell in love with the looks.
And family that always sticks out to me. Husband
Look at that.
was hard worker, 47 years doing concrete.
Found it at an
And,
antique
wife
store.
was a stay-at-home mom.
Didn't work too well.
And he's 61
Filter
years old.
capacitor
So when he comes
problem.
in, yeah, he's like, hey, I've been hearing your...
Sat on. Well, here's the story. I traded an AM/FM tube radio with
my
two
current advisor keeps
speakers.
telling me that I should wait all the way till 70.
Probably shouldn't
Here's
have,
the
but
reality.
I don't
47
regret
years
the
worth of concrete,
decision.
my body's broken. I mean, I
this
just
is a
can't,
Westinghouse Model
I can't keep myself
504.
going any longer. I want to retire next year.
Pretty
And I
rare.
feel
I've only
guilty 'cause I
found
wanna
two
take my
examples
benefit at
on the
62.
internet through a Google search.
And so guilty. This is
This
his
is
money.
probably example 3.
Exactly, folks. If you want to watch Tyson, I get
So,
really upset.
yeah.
Full security and entitlement program because we don't.
And if I ever want to
4.4%
restore it and
of your
refinish it,
paycheck, an entitlement
sand
program.
it
We call
all
that a
down and
retirement
do it all
program.
over again,
But what
boys.
we did for
But,
him is
yeah.
we looked at all the different areas. And
I
what
finally got
impressed me
to
about
restore
him is,
this a year ago.
he had been able to save over
And,
$600,000 for retirement. His wife was
It's
stay-at-home
working
mom.
flawlessly.
Persecuted by the monitoring center. Alarm.
And they died. And I have to admit, the entire time I was eating the Domino's pasta bread,
Station after station.
And every team has a presence, is going to have a presence at the
Yeah.
end. All 30 teams going to have a presence in the G
That's what it
League.
looks like in the
And
back.
I think the NFL might not rely so much on college football and see if there's some development that can come out of the XFL.
Model 504 Westinghouse. This is the reason why I got it. Phono plug. Way back when I was a kid.
Wouldn't have gone Dallas.
So,
I would have gone Birmingham. I
fully
wouldn't
restored
have gone Houston. I
the
would have
good
gone
way.
San Antonio. And I wouldn't have gone
Lay your
Washington,
complaints in the
DC.
comments section
If
below.
anything,
LOL.
I
Peace out.
would have
Bye-bye.
gone Memphis.